go, we're on the pedal train, so we're getting our exercise workout for the day, aren't we, Cass?
Yeah.
Here we go. Working hard.
Yeah, yes, we are working hard. What are you asking?
Yeah.
Thanks for asking.
Yeah.
Skin.
Dragonfly, look at that.
Oh my, I haven't seen one.
Oh, we're going through the barn now. What can we see here? Lots of people on the boat ride, look.
Hello.
Wave everybody. Say hi, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Oh,
Come on, Dad. Catch up.
we have to slow down because those people are going too slow. Haven't we? Slow coaches.
No, we're not finished yet, look.
No, we're not. Got another bit to go.
Yeah.
Wave at Mummy.
Mummy! I think I can pedal this much longer now.
Beautiful theming around here, isn't it, Casper?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it
you
is.
see just across the lake there, Casper,
Yeah.
you've got that red roof there.
Yeah.
That's Pagode, which is the observation tower, which goes up and down.
Yeah.
And you get really good views of the park in there.
Yeah.
And then, see that tower over there?
Yeah.
See it over there? That is Symbolica. That's the signature dark ride. That's where you'll meet the park mascot, Pardew's in there.
Ah. I want to go in there today.
Yeah, hopefully we'll do. It's got a 45-minute wait currently. So hopefully that'll come down a little bit, but we can all go on that. So it's not too bad, is it? Of course, at Efteling don't do any form of fast passes, so the standby wait line is the line that you'll wait, unless of course you've got a ride access pass.
Run through the barn. Go to the windmill house. Here we go.
Yeah?
Run through the windmill house now. Windmill house.
Yeah.
Here we go.
This is good fun.
Yeah.
You're going to wave at all the other people coming round, look.
Hello.
Oh, these other people. There you go. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
This side. This side. Hello.